Let's unbox this pair of sandals. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new season Gucci Double G logo flat sandals. That is a mouthful, but I love watching review videos like this, especially if I'm thinking about making a luxury purchase. I love looking for review videos, so hopefully this helps anybody that's considering whether to buy these sandals or not. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So first things first, let's unbox this pair of sandals. So I really wanted to try these sandals on in person before purchasing, so I headed over to Selfridges and unfortunately they didn't have the black ones in stock, but they did have the orange ones. You guys, when I tell you, I put those orange sandals on and immediately I was like, yes, they are so beautiful. They complement my skin tone so much and I really just didn't want to take them off. Because they didn't have them in store in a color black, I ordered them on Farfetch and the shipping from Farfetch was outstanding. I ordered them on a Sunday and they arrived at my door on a Tuesday, which for me, chef's kiss. Delivery, thank you very much. And I think that's mainly to do with the fact that they were coming from a warehouse within the UK. I do have to give Farfetch their flowers. They ship from all over the world. The delivery isn't too crazy. I can usually order something and receive it within 5 days, which is not too bad, especially considering that it's coming from all over the world. So that's a bit of background with regards to this sandal. Now let's get into the unboxing. The sandals come in the gorgeous signature green Gucci shoebox. Each sandal has its own cotton dust bag, which are soft to touch. I appreciate a good dust bag because it makes traveling smooth and it also means the dirty sole of your shoes don't touch your clean clothes when you're packing and traveling. And it also helps make storing the sandals once you're done with them a lot easier. And before I pulled the trigger, I checked the Selfridges website and I checked the Gucci main website, and they all go for the same price, which is $4.75. It's high season for sandals and they're not really going to be on sale. So I just wanted to double check that I was getting it for a fair price. And the sandal is made from 100% leather and it has this signature interlocking double G design on top, which allows for a bit of a peekaboo moment for your feet. And I always make sure to keep the tissue paper that my sandals come with. I can put the tissue paper back in the sandal to help maintain its shape because nobody likes a floppy sandal. The overall look of the sandal for me is just beautiful. It's classy, it's elegant, but it's also playful because of the double G and the peekaboo moment. One thing to note about Gucci sandals is the sizing is a little bit different. They run slightly big. For me, I picked up the size 37. I'm usually a European size 38, a UK size 5, but with this Gucci sandal, I found myself to be a size 37. And the 37 fits exactly like a 38 would. So I would advise, if you're looking to get this sandal, definitely go in and try it on in store. If they don't have the color that you're looking for, try on a different color, just so you're 100% certain that you are purchasing the right size when it comes to purchasing online. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I order something, especially something that I've been waiting for so long, I would hate for it to come, it doesn't fit, I have to send it back, order it again, and that yeah, I get kind of impatient when it comes to things that I'm really looking forward to. So I would definitely advise, go into store and try on a pair just so you're certain what size you are. The sandal also has a barely noticeable 10mm heel, and I think that adds a slight bit of height. Whether that matters to you or not, I think it's a nice touch, especially as I don't like the flat sandal look. And the thing is, with a black sandal, it's going to be timeless. It's something that you're going to be able to have in your wardrobe for a long time. It goes with multiple different outfits, sundresses, trousers, and usually with this type of a sandal, the structure is quite firm to begin with, and as you wear the sandal, you break the leather in and the leather becomes soft. That's why for me it's really important to keep the tissue paper and always make sure to stuff it so that my sandal retains the structure. So that is it for today's video, short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.